Hello, today you're looking at a rapid 2000 amp 12 volt air-cooled reversing rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Unit has been tested and checked out here at our facility. Is in very good working condition. We'll turn it on here in a second so you can see and hear it go. The unit is wired for 220 volt 3-phase, does have a remote control. Here is the remote. Overall dimensions 42 inches long by 29 inches wide by 61 inches high. It's rated at 85 input amps, and it has internal inductive filtering. It's a nice feature. To turn it on, hit the green button here. We already have it preset. So the amps and volts go up. We'll come over here, take a look at the O-scope wave, as well as the current and the volts. We'll flip that over to the reverse. See the negative sign. And the O-scope's a little different there on the bottom. Very nice unit. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.